Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Students, we have completed our chapter number 6 question answers reading for comprehension part. In our previous lecture today we will start part B, which is about MCQs with the correct option. Let's start. Number 1 is the main causes of pollution are. There are 4 options: huge industrial installations, introduction of fastest mode of transport, spreading of large crowded cities, all of above. Yes, exactly. All these things are the major causes of pollution, so D is the correct answer. 2. Smoke containing poisonous gases in the cause of air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, or soil pollution. Yes, it is air pollution. Yes, poisonous gases can uh, pollute the air. Okay, air pollution is the correct answer. Sewage is the major source of noise pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution. Yes, water pollution. Number 4, noise is usually defined as any sound, any voice, any unwanted sound, or any wanted sound or any unwanted sound. The correct answer is any unwanted sound. Okay, the noise is means that any unwanted sound. Wanted sound is a pleasant sound, so unwanted sound is a noise. Okay. Number 5, the major source of noise pollution is smoke, sewage, workshops, gases. Yes, these smoke and sewage and gases are no sound. Okay, no noise pollution, but workshops can make noise pollution, can produce noise pollution. So C is the correct answer. Okay, in first part D is the correct answer. In 2 A is the correct answer. In part 3 C is the correct answer. In 4 it is D, and in last fifth part it is C. Next page, page number 72, part C. Pollutants are the substances that pollute the environment. Match the pollutants in the column A with the kind of pollution in column B. There are some pollutants that can make or pollute the environment, and these are the major types of the pollution that uh, are in the environment. Some pollutants are loud music, sewage poured in rivers, and smoke. And in part B, column B, there are some types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, and water pollution. Loud music. If we hear loud music, which type of pollution is produced? Air pollution, noise pollution, or water pollution? Yes, it is noise pollution. So match the first part of column A with the second part of column B. Sewage poured in the rivers is made water pollution, and smoke can damage the or can produce the air pollution. So I have matched the columns. You will also match it on the book. Okay. Number D, give the following information. Give 4 examples of air pollution. We know that how to the air is pollute. Some examples are industries, right? Industries, cars or vehicles, mixing of smoke, mixing of smoke in air, or suspended dust is also a major cause of air pollution. Suspended dust in air. Okay, and chemical vapors can also damage the can also pollute the air. So chemical vapors is the, you can also write the any other um, types of or the examples of air pollutions, like offensive smell, or hazardous gases, or poisonous gases, smoke of vehicle, or the anything that you want. Number 2, give any 4 examples of water pollution for water pollutants. Okay, so you can write domestic and industrial waste as we have written in read out in the chapter content. Domestic and industrial waste, okay, like sewage is also a major source of water pollution, so sewage water released into, sorry, river, and remains that of plants, remains of dead plants or animals, or last one is chemical drains in water or garbage throwing in water. You can write anyone, garbage throwing in water. I will repeat the question number D, question D, part 1 and 2. For example of air pollutions are industries, mixing of smoke, suspended dust in air, chemical vapors, or you can write also offensive smell or hazardous gases, etc. Number 2, give any four water pollutants. The answer is domestic and industrial waste, sewage water released in river, remains of remains of dead plants and animals, and garbage throwing in water. Number 3, list any two harmful effects of air pollution on human health. The answer is the air pollution causes serious diseases of skin, throat, or and eyes, respiratory system, etc. But I have no space, so I will not write the respiratory system. Number B, part B. It also make the food poisonous. Okay, I am repeating the answer. Part A. The air pollution causes serious diseases like of skin, throat, respiratory system, and eyes. Part B. It also make the food poisonous. Last part of question number part D. The last question, list any two harmful effects of water pollution on fish and other aquatic life. The answer is poisonous water kills fish. Simply kills fish. Sorry. Poisonous water kill fish, and aquatic water, sorry, aquatic life is hard to grow in polluted water. I'm repeating the answer of this last part. Harmful effects of water pollution on fish and aquatic water life. Number A, poisonous water kills fish. And part B, aquatic life is hard to grow in polluted water. Okay, students, you will complete and solve these answers on the book, page number 72 and 73. All from, and we have completed page number 71 to 73 task of our English workbook, reading book. So you will learn it by heart. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.